Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of Jacobian to restoration. So dear friends, this is first part of the video. तो यदि these questions are very useful for competitive exam, तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। इन विच वर्क ऑफ मिल्टन डज द फॉलोइंग लाइन ऑकर। मिल्टन के किस वर्क में ये लाइनें मिलती हैं? दैट विथ नो मिडिल फ्लाइट इंटेंड टू सोर। These lines are that with no middle flight intends to soar. Option A, El Allegro. Option B, Second Penseroso. Option C, Paradise Lost. And option D, Lycidas. So Lycidas. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, Paradise Lost. Now second question, who wrote Areopagitica? Who wrote Areopagitica? Option A, Milton. Option B, Dryden. Option C, De Quincey. And option D, Spencer. Spencer. So who wrote Areopagitica? The correct answer is option A, Milton. Milton wrote Areopagitica. Now question number 3. When did the civil war break out in England between the king and the parliament? When did the civil war break out in England between the king and the parliament? Option A, 628. Option B, 633. Option C, 637. And option D, 1642. 1642. So which one is the correct answer? 1628, 1633, 1637 or 1642. So the correct answer is 1642. Any option D is the correct answer. Now question number 4. It is he who is his own time and ever afterwards provided a typical antithesis to Shakespeare. Identify the writer for whom this statement has been made. It is he who in his own time and ever forwards provided a typical antithesis to Shakespeare. Identify the writer for whom this statement has been made. Option A, Christopher Marlowe. Option B, Ben Jonson. Option C, Philip Sidney. And option D, George Chapman. George Chapman. So the correct answer is Ben Jonson. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 5. The restoration period is said to have started from. The restoration period is said to have started from. restoration period जो है कब से शुरू हुआ कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन ए 1660, ऑप्शन बी 1625, option C 1645 and option D 1676. So which one is the correct answer? 1660. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 6. Macflacno is a poem composed by. Macflacno is a poem composed by option A, William Bycherley, option B, Ben Jonson, option C, John Dryden, and option D, John Milton. John Milton. So option C, John Dryden is the correct answer. Macflacno is a poem composed by John Dryden. Now question number 7. For God's sake, hold thy tongue and let me love. Such abrupt beginnings are character of option A, John Donne, option B, Ben Jonson, option C, Herbert, and option D, Dryden. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is John Donne. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 8. The leaders ऑफ द मेटाफिजिकल स्कूल वर, मेटाफिजिकल स्कूल के जो लीडर्स हैं इनमें से कौन थे? तो ऑप्शन ए है जॉन डन एंड हेनरी वॉगन, ऑप्शन बी बेन जॉनसन एंड जॉन डन, ऑप्शन सी जॉर्ज हर्बर्ट एंड अब्राहम काउले एंड ऑप्शन डी हेनरी वॉगन एंड बेन जॉनसन। तो ऑप्शन डी तो होगा नहीं क्योंकि इसमें बेन जॉनसन है, और ऑप्शन सी भी नहीं होगा, बी भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि भी इसमें भी बेन। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, जॉन डन एंड हेनरी वॉगन। दे आर द जॉन डन एंड हेनरी वॉगन are the leaders of the metaphysical schools. Now question number 9, dear friends, question number जो 9 है लिखा हुआ है शेडो माटर इज ए वर्क ऑफ, शेडो माटर जो है किसका वर्क है? ऑप्शन ए जॉर्ज हर्बर्ट, ऑप्शन बी हेनरी वॉगन, ऑप्शन सी अब्राहम काउले एंड ऑप्शन डी जॉन डन। सो ऑप्शन डी जॉन डन इज द करेक्ट आंसर, John Donne is the correct answer. Now question number John Donne. Option D is the correct answer, John Donne. Now question number 10. Cynthia's Revenge by Ben Jonson satirizes the humors of Cynthia. Again question सुनिए. Cynthia's Revenge by Ben Jonson satirizes the humors of option A church, option B court, option C contemporary society and option D none of the above. None of the above. So which one is the correct answer? Option B court is the correct answer. Now question number 11. The unfinished work of Ben Jonson is Ben Jonson. Option A Peanuts, option B Catiline, option C Hue and Cry After Cupid and option D Sad Shepherd. So dear friends, unfinished work of Ben Jonson is Sad Shepherd. Option D is the correct answer. These questions are very useful, so please listen these questions again and again. Now question number 12. Who is said to have first used the term metaphysics? कौन था जिसने सबसे पहले ये टर्म यूज किया था मेटाफिजिक्स? ऑप्शन ए जॉन डन, ऑप्शन बी मैथ्यू अर्नल्ड, ऑप्शन सी डॉक्टर जॉनसन एंड ऑप्शन बी डी पी बी सैली, पी बी सैली. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is Dr. Johnson. Dr. Johnson, option C is the correct answer. Now question number 13. Paradise Lost comprises option A 12 books, option B 16 books, option C 10 books and option D 24 books. So Paradise Lost comprises 12 books. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 14. Which of the following is not work of Ben Jonson? इनमें से कौन सा वर्क जो है वो Ben Jonson का नहीं है? ऑप्शन ए द पोएट स्टार, ऑप्शन पोएट स्टार and option B the silent woman, option C Bartholomew Fair and option D the Duke Milne. So the Duke Milne is not a work of Ben Jonson and the Poet Star, the Silent Woman and Bartholomew Fair all the work of Ben Jonson. Now question number 15. Sejanus is a option A comedy, option B romance, option C elegy and option D tragedy. Option D tragedy. So option D tragedy is the correct answer. Now question number 16. Who celebrated Cromwell's return through an ode? Again question is Question number 16. Who celebrated Cromwell's return through an ode? किसने who celebrated Cromwell's return through an ode? Option A Ben Jonson, option B Andrew Marvell, option C John Milton and option D Robert Herrick. So which one is the correct answer? Option B Andrew Marvell. Andrew Marvell is the correct answer. Now question number 17. Which one of the following has written an ode to himself? Which one of the following has written or an ode to himself? Option A Ben Jonson, option B Abraham Cowley, option C Edmund Spenser and option D John Dryden. So the correct answer of this question is The correct answer of this question is Ben Jonson. Option A. Option A is the correct answer of question number 17. Now question number 18, dear friend. Who has written an ode for Ben Jonson? Who has written an ode for Ben Jonson? Option A, Abraham Cowley. Option B, Andrew Marvell. Option C, Robert Herrick. And option D, John Donne. John Donne. So the correct option is option C, Robert Herrick has written an ode for Ben Jonson. Now question number 19. Which of the following is untrue about प्यूरिटेनिज्म? इनमें से कौन से जो है वो प्यूरिटेनिज्म के बारे में अनट्रू है? ऑप्शन ए, द प्यूरिटन्स रिजेक्टेड द एंग्लिकन चर्च, Anglican Church. Option B, satirical references to Puritans are available in Shakespeare's plays. Option C, the Puritans insisted on the purity of body more than the purity of soul. And option D, they considered beauty and worldly pleasure as traps of evil. So option C, the Puritans insisted on the purity of body more than the purity of soul is the correct answer. Now question number 20. Question number a famous lyric opens with the following lines. A famous lyric opens with the following lines. Drink to me only with thine eyes. Who is the writer of this song? Drink to me only with thine eyes. Option A, Thomas Dekker. Option B, John Donne. Option C, Ben Jonson. And option D, Thomas Heywood. Thomas Heywood. So which one is the correct answer? Option C, Ben Jonson is the correct answer. A famous lyric opened with the following lines: Drink to me only with thine eyes by Ben Jonson. Now, question number 21. So dear friend, this is the second last question of this video, this parts. तो यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ एल एलिगरो? एल एलिगरो का क्या मतलब है? ऑप्शन ए, मेलनकली मैन. ऑप्शन बी, अ हैप्पी मैन. ऑप्शन सी, अ मैन pining for love. And option D, a God fearing man. A God fearing man. So El Allegro means a happy man. Option B is the correct answer. Now dear friends, this is the last question of this part. To scorn delights and live laborious days. This line is from Milton's Lycidas. Who is the poet referring to here? Who is the poet referring to here? So these first option A, his friend Edward King, on whose death this elegy is written. Option B, to himself. Option C, to his patron Cromwell. And option D, to the King of England. To the King of England. So option A, his friends Edward King, on whose death is this elegy is written, is the correct answer. Dear friends, these are some question. I hope कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. Thank you for watching this video.